hot tea and milk tea today afternoon. Good afternoon and tea and biscuit today with my mother and tea time and very nice moment at home and room and this milk tea is made by me and it is my mother. I offer now. এই চাটা আমি এখন করলাম নিজের হাতে. It is made by me and take it and drink now. Mother, take it. Today 3 p.m. চা খাও মা. বিস্কুট বিস্কিট নাও, এটা নাও. Akshay Saha in my room today. Hot tea, milk tea and beautiful color. Thank you so much.